Hey everyone, it's Bryan from Puente Hyundai. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the 2022 Santa Fe Calligraphy, and we're going to specifically be looking at the steering wheel controls and how to use them. Alright everyone, now taking a look at the steering wheel buttons and what they do. Now, if we're going to be focusing on the right side first, you're going to take a look at the first button, which is going to be the paper icon. Now, what this paper icon does is it'll actually allow you to toggle through the menu in the digital display. So it'll show you things like the lane keep assist, the trip indicator, the route, and the tire pressure. Moving on to the next one. The next one is going to be our cruise control. Now, because this vehicle is the Calligraphy Santa Fe, this one's going to have smart cruise control, which will not, it'll not establish itself until we get into a certain speed. So as of right now, I wouldn't be able to actually turn this one on. But moving forward to the one underneath it. Now, once you actually turn on the cruise control, you can use these other two buttons to help toggle and navigate through the smart cruise control. So what this left side does is it'll actually act as a lane keep assist guidance system, meaning when you are driving using the smart cruise control, you can press onto this button and it'll turn on the lane keep assist, the active mode, which means that while you're driving, the car will help nudge you and keep you in place and help steer you away from exiting out of the lane unnecessarily. Moving on to the one right next to it, this one here is going to be a sensor system, also paired with smart cruise control. And what this does is when you are already in smart cruise control mode, this button here will help adjust how far away your vehicle is to the vehicle in front of you. So if you're in smart cruise control mode and the car in front of you starts to slow down, you can adjust how quickly the car you're driving will slow down or speed up. So you can do that all using this button here. Now, in order to toggle from actually having cruise control on, as well as going up and down of the speed, this is what this right middle button is. And on the left side, it'll just be, again, navigating through that first digital display screen and all of the features that come into that middle cluster. Now, moving on to the left side of the steering wheel, the first button, which is going to be on the top left corner, is going to be your voice activation button. Now, if you press onto that icon, the vehicle itself will take simple commands like call so-and-so or play station 102.7 or what have you. But if you are connected either via Bluetooth or using your smartphone cable, and you do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connected, you can use that button to toggle through Hey Siri or Hey Google, using the mode right next to it, which is going to actually say mode on the vehicle and on the steering wheel. By pressing this, it'll actually adjust itself through the different stations that you have saved as your priority, meaning it will either go through the sounds of nature, your own music, FM and AM radio, or Sirius XM radio. Now, toggling down in the middle column, you will have the left button, which is going to have for the volume up and down controls. You can also press on this button to mute all the sound in the car if you'd like, as well as the one on the right side, which will again help navigate you through your mode and your favorites of your specific channels or sound systems. Lastly, you have the buttons on the bottom, which is just to answer your phone calls and to hang up your phone calls. The car will come with Bluetooth, which means that the vehicle will have this adjusted for your convenience. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you guys have any questions or concerns about the segment that we talked about today, please let us know in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching.